Hello everyone, this is Kumar Simant, your host from Coin Mentor Connect. Sure, you can get 10x, 20x, even 100x returns from crypto very easily. But you can also lose 50 to 100% of your principal in this space within minutes. So how do you decide how to best use crypto for your benefit? Do you have that much knowledge to make this decision? And if not, if you're a beginner, where do you get that knowledge? Would you be willing to spend a year trying to find the reliable sources of information to learn, or to collect information first and then try to experiment with it to find out whether it works or not? And if you say you do, exactly how much time and money are you willing to spend for experimentation if you knew that you have only 3 to 5 months remaining for making your position in the crypto space if you want to get any returns out of this bull run? This is exactly where Crypto Fundamentals comes into picture. Consider this course as the starting point of your crypto journey. Imagine getting your learnings from thousands of experiments that we and our mentors have done globally to find the right strategies, the right ways, the mistakes that we can avoid, and all of that consolidated into a 7-hour Crypto Fundamentals course journey. Wouldn't you like that? So you may ask, what's there in this course? If you're a beginner, we give you complete knowledge from scratch to a point where you feel completely confident and ready to jump into this risky space. We will give you everything that you need right here. So why did we create Crypto Fundamentals course? At the end of this course, you will know exactly what cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology are and how they work. You will also be ready with the essential and reliable tools and platforms that is required to jump into this crypto market and start operating. And while you have learned that, you will also get equipped to safeguard your hard-earned money from scammers, that too within your budget. Most people lack the mindset which is required to become a crypto investor, and that is another addition which we have done in this course for you, so that when you start your journey, you will be able to start with the right mindset and avoid those costly mistakes many people make. And lastly, and most importantly, you will also be able to figure out the approach that you need to make your crypto investment plan, CIP. Isn't it amazing? Accordingly, the Crypto Fundamentals has been divided into 2 parts. The first 4 major goals has been covered in the form of recorded sessions, which you can complete at your own pace and watch repeatedly if need be. And the last goal, which is the crypto planning process with the planning sheets, will be done live for you, because it depends on the market scenarios also. In addition, you will also get access to our VIP discussion forum, which will bring an essential element to your crypto learning journey, the community. Not just will you be able to discuss, share and get answers from these peers of yours, but we also keep sharing time-sensitive market updates and news with you in the discussion forum. What's more, that's the first place you will start interacting with your peers. As if that was not enough already, we are also providing you with an earning opportunity where you can grow with us and find money to invest in crypto, making crypto completely risk-free for you. So for beginners, this becomes an obvious choice for starting your crypto journey. But even if you have some experience in the crypto space and want to go advanced, you can use this course in 2 ways. First, to find out where our teaching methods works well for you or not. Secondly, you also get a discounted price for the advanced level courses in the duration of the Crypto Fundamentals course. So that means you have double benefits. 1, the course will continue to be updated based on what's coming as new and more in-depth information that we continue to get for you. And that too you are getting at a much discounted price, so that all the additional information comes without any extra cost to you. So you are basically getting the course, both fundamentals and advanced, at a throwaway price. As you can see, we have left no stones unturned to help you. So what are you waiting for? Enroll in the Crypto Fundamentals right now, and I'll see you in the live webinar.